Okay, so we've been expecting a move down somewhere off of this pattern here. We were getting consolidation on Bitcoin since we made our last high, and this move up here was supposed to test here, but it was too weak to even do that. And all the way through here there was divergence, so we sold at 70k, got out, and once we broke this trend line here, we consolidated underneath it yesterday, and that's when we knew we were probably going to head to the downside again. Now, where are we going to stop? Are we going to make one last attempt to go here to break through this? It's a possibility. Otherwise, our downside really can go all the way somewhere down here, even as far as here, which is like 48k. If you get to this point, buy. There most likely will be divergence between these two if we get there. If we don't get there, we're going to be looking for some kind of reversal. So we could go to turn around right here. There's this area, there's this support area, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and we can make one last attempt here, maybe break out, and then be off to the races by the end of the year and hit that 100k and above, which everyone's been waiting for. A couple things going to happen. We are getting this correction, which has been consolidating nicely normally according to the halving cycles, so generally we would break out here and we would go up, but always be prepared for any of this. So right now I'm flat, my bias at least, on the daily time frame. If we bring it down to the 4 hour, I'm looking for a reversal actually somewhere around here. So let's see, we just tried to bounce off that, nothing happened. This next level we have here looks like a pretty strong level if you want to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't really use support and resistance that much, but when there is nothing, when you have something falling like this, you gotta look, okay? And those are the tools I have at the time, that and a Fibonacci. Okay, so we already hit the 382. We could turn around here. We can always go past it a little bit and still turn around. The next level I would say is the 618 or the 0.5, 50%. So let's see. And then on this time frame, the 1 hour, I've just turned this indicator on, and you can see we already have divergence on the 4 hour time frame. No, sorry, the 1 hour time frame. The RSI is oversold on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and we're getting divergence right here. So this might be a nice area for a quick scalp. Also on the 15, 60, and 4 hour. Oops. So if you want an intraday swing, you can come right into here. Put your entry anywhere in here, really. Might even go all the way down to 62. So don't use too high of leverage, and then get it up to either there or that trend line. So that's a trade I've already taken, and I'm gonna wait and get myself about 3%. Not bad. And the indicator here, you're seeing there is around the 15-minute RSI is below 20. 1 hour RSI is below 30 here. It's at 26. And on the 4 hour it's below 30. So 3 levels where we are in a hot zone. And then there's also bullish divergence on both the 15-minute and the 1 hour between these two peaks or valleys. So there's a good area for a at least temporary reversal. I don't want to go any lower in the time frames, but that was this one right here. This is the one where if it does go down to 62.4, you can even add to your position. See, there's a 1 hour divergence, right? So this should completely come back here is what I'm expecting. So we'll see.